सब्सक्राइब करें रेकिप टेक को और इस बेल आइकन का दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hey, what's up people? Today in this video I gonna do a quick unboxing of my Nova dryer which I have purchased from Flipkart. So without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, it is the box here, and its price, the price rating is here. As you can see, the price rating is 845, but I have purchased it from Flipkart in 449 rupees. So without being wasting time, let's get started. So there is no seal in this. As you can see, there is no seal. So let me just open this. First of all, we are getting this. Here writing hair dryer foldable Nova Prime series. As you can see here, nothing or something manual user. That's all. Second is nothing in the box, and this is our dryer. It is the dryer. As you can see, it is folded dryer. That means you can just adjust it and fold it and keep it as yes, this is the one that you can rotate. So let me show how it works. As you can see, it is making too much of noise. Maybe you are rotating this fan, and you can see these are the aspect where the dryer can be. I'm given in cool. It has two modes. One is cool mode and one is hot mode. So when I will press the one button, it will automatically work in cool mode, and when I will give it second button, it will work in hot mode. As you can see here, it is on 2. Now it is on 1. Now it is on 0. So hope you guys enjoy my video. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.